students, this is the last part of the chapter, The Diary of Anne Frank. Okay, let us see that. In the summer of 1941, Grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. So my birthday passed with little celebration. So here she describes that in 1941 she was unable to celebrate her birthday because her grandmother fell ill and she had to have an operation, and that's why it was unable to celebrate her birthday. Okay, next. Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up her for the other, and Grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. And she fell in 1941 and she died in January 1942. No one can say that how often I think of her and because I loved her. I loved her most. That's why this birthday also was gone without celebration. The four of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. The four of us means, what are the four of means? Mother, father, her sister and herself. They are doing everything is very well, and thus now she start her writing diary on 20 June 1942. So next she writes, Dear Kitty, our entire class is quaking in its boots. Quaking means shivering. Everyone is worried about what will be happen, who will be the pass, who will fail. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teacher decide who will move up. Move up means will pass, who will go next class to the next form. Next form means next class, and who will be kept back, or who will be kept back means who will be fail. Half the class is making bets. Making bets means condition. If you pass this, GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind. When everyone in my class are worried who will pass, who will fail, and meanwhile, yes, I saw beside me, she telling that GN and she laugh ourselves as a silly. Two boys behind us, CN and Jacobs. They are also worried about that, and they wait that whatever they saved their money, they waste on the wait. And someone said that no, I am not. उसमें कोई कह रहा है कि मैं पास होऊंगा, कोई कह रहा है कि नहीं मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा. नहीं, no, you are not. Even GS pleading, glance and my angry outburst can't calm them down. If you ask me, there are so many damage. Yes, I'll say that here. If you ask me honestly, I can tell that here many students, damage, many students, very poor students, they cannot pass the examination. But due to teacher, they can pass the examination and they can go to the next class. Because she says, according to her, teacher is unpredictable creature on the earth. नहीं, जो एक टीचर होता है ना, अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होता है. वी कैन नॉट गेस अबाउट द टीचर. हम टीचर के बारे में कुछ कह ही नहीं सकते हैं, बता ही नहीं सकते हैं कि वो टीचर करेगा क्या. So everyone is worried about that. Now he qualified the examination, but she's telling that I'm not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. We'll make it. The only subject I'm not sure about in maths. Anyway, all we can do is wait. Until then, we keep telling each other not to lose short. She telling that about her. Is she not so worried? And about her friends. because she showed that now she can pass the examination, she can move up the next class, but only there is a little bit worried about in maths. She is not sure. Anyway, everyone along with her friend, they have to wait until then. We kept telling each other not to lodge shot. Then we say that yeah, now हम तो पास को भी जाएंगे लेकिन फिर भी I get along pretty well with all my teachers. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Kissing, the old Fauji who teaches maths, was a night with me for ages because I talked so much. After several wearing, he assigned me extra homework and essay on the subject. A chatterbox, what can you write? Chatterbox means who talk more. टॉकेटिव, बहुत जो बात करता है क्लास, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो छोटा बात करते रहते हैं. व्हाट कैन यू राइट अबाउट दैट? I'd worry about that later. I decided, I jotted down. Jotted down means write down the title in my notebook, tucked it in my left bag and tried to keep quiet. So in this paragraph he telling that there are 9 teachers in my school, 7 men and 2 women, and Mr. Kissing, the old Fauji who teaches maths, is math teacher. Her math teacher, only he was little bit, he hate her, but not hate her. वो उससे नफरत करते थे लेकिन वो उससे नफरत नहीं करते थे, due to her nature, because she talked much in the classroom. She was a talkative student. That's why she always give her an extra homework. That's why she will be silent. And she gave an work. She had to write an essay on the topic of chatterbox. Chatterbox means who talk more. But she is able to write. She can write and she jotted down. Jotted down means write down. But she wrote it. वो उस पर लिख ली. That evening after I had finished the rest of my homework, the note about the easy caught my eyes. I began thinking about the subject while shaving the tip of my fountain pen. Anyone could ramble on and leave big space between the words, but the trick was to come up with the convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. I thought and thought. Suddenly, I had an idea. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Kissing had assigned me and was satisfied. I argued that talking is a student's trait and that I would do my best to keep it under control. On that evening, I finished my work. She finished. But when I thought that, so now I completed anyway. But that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit since my mother talked as much I did, if not more. And there's not much you can do about inherited traits. But inherited traits is a quality, physical, mental, that one we get from our parents, that is called inherited traits. And incorrigible, something that cannot be corrected, usually a bad quality. So, this habit I got from my mother, because my mother always talk about it like me. So thus Mr. Kissing had a good laugh at my arguments. When I described about that, sir, I cannot stop it because this habit I got from my mother. So Mr. Kissing began to laugh what I told him, but when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible chatterbox means something that cannot be corrected. Means first time उन्होंने जो ऐसे दिया मैंने लिख लिया. इस बार जो उन्होंने ऐसे दिया कि एक ऐसी लड़की जो अपनी आदत छोड़ नहीं सकती, एक ऐसी चीज़ जो छुड़ा नहीं सकता. Nothing to complain about for whole lesson. However, during the third lesson, he had finally an enough frankly punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled. जब मैं सेकंड पे लिख दिया तो उन्होंने मुझे तीसरा ऐसे दिया, quack quack quack, said Mr. Chatterbox. This topic he gave me, and thus I had to write on this. The class wrote. I had to laugh too. Though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterboxes, it was time to come up with something else, something original. My friend Sunny, who's good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from beginning to end in verse, and I jumped for joy. Means when I got the third essay, I had to write down quack, quack, quack. So on that time I was in miserable condition. I was unable to talk that what should be right. But meanwhile, I have a friend. That's name is Sunny. She is good at poetry, and she helped me to write the essay, whatever I have been given to write on the topic. And she helped me to write this essay in words and jump for joy. Mr. Kissing was trying to play joke on me with the Mr. Kissing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject, but I had make sure the joke was on him. Mr. Kissing, who was my math teacher, he thought that was a ridiculous poem. He was unable to thought that this poem was only a joke on him. So when I finished my poem, and it was beautiful, it was about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. Yeah, whatever I have written, that was the poem. There was a story about a duck, mother duck, and a father swan, and there are 3 babies who are duckling. The babies were dead by the father because they were quacking much. Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. Mr. Kissing thought that because she was unable to understand that this poem was only on him, that's why he thought that it was ridiculous and it was very good joke. That's why he make listen to the poem to the class, adding his own comments, and also he did his own comments and to several other classes as well. After the poem, I didn't get any extra homework. I never got any home assignment, and I was allowed to talk in the class. But Mr. Kissing always making jokes this. That's all. And you have to answer the following question, whatever has been given, and also I have given to your extra homework, and what's given in your textbook also you have to do. Okay.